Hi everyone, thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you my top 3 picks for real estate investment in Dubai of this week. Number 1, for people with a budget of 500,000 to 1.5 million dirhams who are after generating passive income. I would say it's business-based. It offers you around 6 to 7% net rental income to your pocket according to today's market, with so much potential for capital appreciation once the market improves. Number 2, if you have a budget of 1.5 to 3 million dirhams, and I would say this is the ideal investment, the most ideal real estate investment in Dubai today is CityWalk. And this particular unit in CityWalk will allow you to generate 5%. Now it's 5%. I just said that you get 6 to 7% on the other property in Business Bay, even more than the unit in Business Bay. Actually more than any other thing in Dubai, because the price offers you great value for your money. And the potential for capital appreciation on CityWalk is literally unlimited once the market starts to bounce back. CityWalk is the most undersupplied project in Dubai. It's the only low-rise modern community that offers this unique component, and it's unique by all means. It's unique component of touristic destinations as well as retail, outdoor retail area. In fact, it also has an indoor retail area. Number 3, if you have a budget between 3 to 5 million dirhams and you're looking for a villa in Dubai, I would say Dubai Hills is a must-visit area. To secure your next real estate investment in Dubai, connect with us on the below contact details. Stay tuned for many more to come. Thank you for watching.